Hi friends. I love travel. So if you love travel too, I'm gonna share with you this product that I just received. This is travel backpack that is certificate for all the travels company to use like so it's this one. Have the perfect size to use it like a carry-on. So you can use it in any flight. Look, I think that it's beautiful. Have these golden details in the zippers. He secures. You can carry on here, or you can put it in your bag too with this. And adjust with this. This is great. I already love it and I don't use it yet. So let's go explore this. Have this pocket right here. All the zippers are soft and feel secure and high quality. Have other pocket here and this, so you can put your keys or something that you don't want to lose here. Your auto case or your car keys. And this pack here that is for things that you can take easily. All other packet with zipper here and a bigger packet here too. All these materials are waterproof, so you can put wet things, or if you're in travel and you have a towel, a wet towel or wet clothes, you can put it in any pocket because all these compartments are waterproof inside. Here, this is like, you can see it. And the sides have this pocket that you can use it to put your bottle of water or something like that. You can use this to make it sure that your pack is not open. But we can open it now. So if you need to charge your devices like your cell phone or something like that, you can use this. You can use this USB port. And in the inside, you can put your battery. So you can just connect it and use your phone, and you're charging your phone in your backpack. So if you need to work with your traveling, or you love to take with you your laptop or something, here is this pocket that is special for take with you your laptop, your tablet, your iPad or something like that. Here, or some more smaller here, or you can take with you a book or something like that. This packet is special for this. And you have a huge space here for another thing that you need to take with you. And at least this is the big part of the backpack. So here is where you can put all your clothes. Came with these bags that you can use for a shoe bag. You can put your shoes in one of these bags, and you can use one for your makeup, your skincare, or that type of products. And you can use it to wet things too. If you need to put something that is wet, you can use it this. And you can use it to separate your clean clothes for the dirty. Here's another pocket that is like plastic, so you can put some things wet here too. And here you can put small things like your socks or underwear, so you can put it here. And here you have this to put all your clothes or all the things that you can take with you, and then you can close it and put your things more closer or more together. Here is another pocket that's go back inside. You can use it to put something like a bottle or something like that. And here is the cable that you can use to charge your devices. As I say, you can put your battery here and charge your phone by the other side. So as you can see, this bag is so practical, it's so efficient. And if you travel so much, this bag make you more easy all the package process. You can take with you all the things that you need, have a pocket for anything that you need. So if you travel so much and you want to have a backpack that you can use it in all the flights and take all the things with you, this backpack is your product. I highly recommend it. See you.